Hello people, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I will teach you the way how you can leave the button while the camera is still recording the activity on your Instagram story. So here you just need to open your Instagram application, and then the next thing you need to do is just go make sure that you stay into this home sections right here. Now you just need to swipe it into the right side so you will access this Instagram camera. You can see that this is the Instagram camera. So if you are recording while tap into this button like this, tap and hold whenever you leave the button, so the recording process could be stopped. So how the way you can leave the button while still recording it, you just need to go tap into this icon and go with this hands free, and I just need to tap into this button and leave it, and you'll see the recording process is still running even you are leaving the button. If you want to stop, just tap it again and you are done. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy this, and let's meet again into other tutorial.